In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notification settings in Hostinger hPanel step by step so you can control exactly which alerts you receive and where you receive them. This is a really useful setting if you want to cut down on unnecessary emails, stay focused on the notifications that matter, and make sure important account updates never get missed. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the top area of the interface and find your profile icon. This is usually where your account-related settings are stored, including preferences, account details, and notification controls. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, click on Notification Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage how Hostinger communicates with you. Here, you'll see different types of notifications that you can turn on or off depending on what you want to receive. You may also see options for different platforms, so you can choose whether you want notifications delivered in one place, another place, or through multiple channels. Now take your time and review each notification option carefully. If there are notifications you don't want, simply untick the checkbox. If there are notifications you do want, make sure the checkbox is enabled. This is the main part of the process, and it gives you full control over your notification preferences. For example, you might want to keep security alerts enabled, but disable less important updates that could clutter your inbox, or maybe you want notifications only in the platform you check most often. Either way, the choice is yours. As you go through the list, think about how you use your Hostinger account on a daily basis. If you manage multiple websites or services, it can be helpful to keep important alerts turned on so you never miss something urgent. On the other hand, if you prefer a cleaner workflow, you can reduce the number of notifications and only keep the ones that are truly essential. That balance can make a big difference in how organized and productive you feel. Once you've selected the notification types and platforms that work best for you, your settings should be updated automatically. In most cases, there's no complicated save process, but if you do see a save or confirm option, be sure to click it before leaving the page. Then you can exit the settings knowing your notification preferences are now set exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage notification settings in Hostinger hPanel. It's a quick process, but it can help you stay better organized and in control of your account activity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, walkthroughs, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.